Confederation of Indian Industry Chairman Zubin J. Irani today said the industry body is mulling taking some decisive steps to bring back investment and to accelerate growth in the northern region of the country. While addressing a budget review meeting, Irani expressed his concerns over the manufacturing sector and said it requires cooperation from the states to revive it. Irani also said the trade body welcomed the steps taken by the NDA government to revive the economy of the country.
We have had a difficult last 2 or 3 years with sub 5% growth, high inflation. And the concern has been particularly in the manufacturing sector, where the growth rate has been essentially flat over the last 1 year. Although in the last 2 months, there has been much more positive news over there. Hence, we at CII Northern Region have taken the theme for this year. The theme is accelerating growth in the north by facilitating investments and creating employment. We at CII believe that the only way to bring back growth in our economy is to bring back investment and create jobs. And in order to do that, we need to build a conducive ecosystem within the states.
Irani also said the industry body is working with the state governments to improve business conditions in the country.
The northern region comprises of 8 states and 1 union territory. It is the largest region in the country, also occupying the largest population amongst all our regions. To bring back investment, CII is following a two-pronged approach. One is obviously working with the state governments to improve the business conditions, to improve the ease of doing business, improving skill development. There are a number of priorities that we're working with each of the state governments on through our different CII offices.
Powered by NNIS.